So once that co-marketing invitation has been sent, you as the agent are going to see an email that looks just like this. It's going to say, hey, this person invited you to co-market on Total Expert. Now, when you click on this email, it's going to look a lot like this. It's going to again say, hey, this person invited you to collaborate on Total Expert. Here are the steps to go ahead and get your account set up. The biggest thing you will want to do is press this click here to accept the invitation. Now, when you click here, it's going to populate a page that looks just like this. It's going to say, hey, welcome to Total Expert. This person's inviting you to collaborate. It's also going to share a few of the key tools that you'll have available to you as an agent. And then what it's going to prompt you to do is to get started by setting up your account. So it's going to populate your email address. You'll want to create a password. And then what you're going to notice is that this button right here is going to be automatically checked for you. And this just says that, hey, I'm allowing my partner to edit my profile on my behalf. So as the agent, if you would like them to have access to edit your profile information, this allows them to do that. Now, if that's something that you would not like, you can go ahead and uncheck this box right here. But again, just to point out, they will not have access to your contacts, just your profile details, so that if something's missing, they can go ahead and add that in for you to make sure that your profile is fully complete. And then lastly, you want to press this button that says, I have read and agree with the terms of service. And then this is going to allow you to now create the account. Once you've finished creating your account, you're going to see that it's going to prompt you to finish setting up your account by adding in your agent license and MLS information. This is extremely important. And so what I'd recommend is, number one, making sure that you put that MLS agent ID number in there and your MLS association number. I know it says optional here. My key recommendation is to put in that MLS agent ID. This is going to allow your co-marketing partner to get notified when new listings are up so they can help create some marketing resources for you. So it's really just going to help enhance that partnership. So I'd highly recommend doing that here. And then once you've put this information in and you've filled out these fields right here, I'd go to continue setting up my profile. And this is where you can add in some general information to your profile. Now, your co-marketing partner may have put in a few things on your behalf because they have the ability to do that when they're first setting up your profile. But again, I would just verify that this information is accurate. If you want to change anything, go ahead and do that. But again, I would fill out as much information as you can as possible. By doing that, you really allow, your marketing materials to have full information and make sure all the footers and things like that have full information and just look pretty. Then once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and select next. This is where I can also add my profile photo and my logo image. So you want to make sure you have your photo on there. So again, your marketing shows you and your face. So go ahead and upload those, and then you can go ahead and sign in. And this is going to take you right to the Total Expert sign-in page.